Okay, now we're going to determine the future value of a lump sum of money. Okay, let's see. We are given $400 invested at 6%, compounded quarterly after a period of 2 years. And we want to know the future value of that lump sum of money. We're going to use this formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over N and T, where P is equal to 400 and R is equal to 6%, which is equal to 0.06, and our N is going to be 4 because it's quarterly, so N equals to 4, and our time T is going to be 2 years, so T. There we go. And now we just plug them into the formula. Just plug them in. Let's see. We have A equals to 400 times 1 plus 0.06 over 4 to the 4 times 2, which is equal to, do it in your calculators, and you get 450.60. And that is your answer. Now, let's see. Remember, the only thing that you need to know is that whenever you're given quarterly, it's going to be 4. Annually is going to be 1. And semi-annual is going to be 2. Daily is going to be 365. Monthly is going to be 12. So just plug that into your plug all the values into your formula, and you'll do good in the test. Now, let's see. I'm gonna show you how to do it when we have when our investment is compounded continuously. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you. So we have $10 invested at 12%, compounded continuously. Okay, so continuously after a period of 2 years. Okay, now for this we're going to use this formula, which is A equals to PERT. P-E-R-T. There you go, PERT. So we know that our P is 10, R is 12%, which is equal to 0.12, and continuously is our E, and our T is 2 years. So just plug it into your formula. A equals to 10 E to the 0.12 times 2, which is equal to, plug it into your calculators, and you'll get 12.71. There you go. It's as easy as that. You don't have, there's not much problem with this, so let's move on. Just practice. Remember to practice, and you'll do good. Don't have to worry. So find the effective rate of interest. Okay, this one's a little longer. So find the effective rate of interest for 6.75% compounded quarterly. Okay, let's see. we'll do we're gonna do this. We're gonna get a convenient principal, okay? Our P. We're gonna get a convenient principal. So a convenient principal, just use 1,000, okay? Easy number. So our R is 6.75%, which is equal to 0.0675. Our N is quarterly, right? And our T is 1, because this is evaluated in 1 year. Now let's use our formula. A equals to 1,000 times 1 plus 0.0675 over 4 to the 4 times 1. That is going to give us this amount, 1,069.23. And now we're gonna subtract our principal from that amount. So 1,069.23 minus 1,000 is equal to 69.23. And now to get our interest, we're going to use this formula, I equals PRT. So we know that I is 69.3, okay? Then we just solve for R. 69.23 equals to 1,000 R 1. Okay, so the answer R would be equal to 69.23 over 1,000, which is equal to 0.06923 times 100 gives us our rate 6.923%. And that's it. That's how you get the effective rate of interest.